Punchmaster Punchdown tool is a professional-grade tool used for terminating voice and data conductors to networking and telecommunications equipment. The 35-485 includes both a 110 style blade for data networking and a 66 blade for telecommunications cabling. Other blade types are available separately. The tool features an impact style design where a spring-loaded internal mechanism helps to deliver a surge of additional force to seat and cut conductors with less input from the user. Users can select either the high or low setting on the tool. The low setting is used for terminating to more sensitive equipment, such as posts attached to circuit boards. The high setting delivers more of a punch and offers better seating and cutting characteristics. A spare 110 or 66 blade can be stored in the top of the tool. Blades are released by pressing both blade release buttons and turning the tool upside down. The turn lock style blade system always keeps the blades oriented properly and secure within the tool. Turn lock always aligns the cutting side of the blade with the orange half of the tool, so it is easy to identify the cut side of the tool on the job. Blades can be used to seat and cut Cat 3, Cat 5e, Cat 6, and Cat 6a conductors and multiple pair telephone wires. If you'd like to learn more about the 35-485 Punchmaster Punchdown tool from IDEAL, please call our customer service department or visit our website. Thanks for watching. I'm Ron with IDEAL.